Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best Norelco trimmer is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for men. Maintaining a neat appearance is easier than ever with the right trimmer. Whether you're looking to shape a beard, trim your hair, or refine your facial hair, a quality trimmer is a must-have. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of men's trimmers, helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs. Number 5. Norelco Philips Multigroomer 3000, 13-in-1 Grooming Kit. This versatile grooming kit has everything you need. It includes 13 attachments for your beard, face, nose, and ear hair. It's a complete solution for all your grooming needs. The kit includes a full-size trimmer, precision trimmer, and nose-ear trimmer. It also comes with various guards for different beard lengths and hair trimming. This allows you to achieve any style you desire. Forget about blade oil. This trimmer's blades are self-sharpening and require no oil. The blades and guards are also easy to detach and rinse, making maintenance simple. Experience maximum precision with dual-cut technology. The blades sharpen themselves as you use them. This ensures they stay sharp for up to 2 years. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply detach the blades and guards and rinse them. It's designed for all hair types and made with metal blades for durability. This is the MG3750 model from the Multigroom 3000 series. It's designed to provide a comprehensive grooming experience. It also features automatic voltage adjustment. What we like. This trimmer comes with a whopping 13 attachments, making it a true all-in-one solution. The dual-cut technology ensures a precise and even trim every time. And the best part? You don't need to worry about oiling the blades. If you're looking for a versatile grooming kit that can handle anything, this is the one for you. What people say. Comes with array of snap-on coins for different length plus nose hair trimmer. Charges pretty quickly and last a long time. Works perfectly. Number 4. Philips Norelco Multigroomer Series 7000. This all-in-one trimmer is designed for your beard, head, body, and face. It comes with 23 pieces to cover all your grooming needs. It's the only tool you'll need. Featuring dual-cut technology, this trimmer offers maximum precision. It includes self-sharpening blades that last up to 5 years. This ensures a clean and accurate trim every time. The trimmer includes a full metal motor and a tempered steel drivetrain. This delivers maximum torque and power. You can rely on it for a consistent performance. The unique cutting guards are reinforced with ultra-strong fiberglass material. This prevents bending and buckling, ensuring an even trim every time. It's built to last. With a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 5 hours of runtime per charge. This means less charging and more grooming. It's convenient and efficient. What we like. With 23 pieces, this trimmer is designed for the ultimate grooming experience. The dual-cut technology provides maximum precision, and the full metal motor delivers powerful performance. If you want a trimmer that can handle any hair type and length with ease, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The clippers are sharp. They cut through my overgrown beard and mustache like butter with no pulling. The combs are neatly labeled with the length of cut, and the 9mm did a fantastic job on my goatee. Number 3. Philips Norelco OneBlade Face Plus Body QP263070. This revolutionary hybrid electric trimmer and shaver can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. It's designed to give you a comfortable shave without getting too close to your skin. The OneBlade comes with 2 blades, one specifically for your face and another for your body. This allows you to easily switch between grooming different areas. You can use it wet or dry, making it convenient for use in the shower or on the go. This flexibility ensures a comfortable grooming experience. It includes a click-on skin guard for extra protection on sensitive areas. Also included are 4 stubble combs for your face and 1 body comb for an even trim. The rechargeable Li-ion battery provides 60 minutes of constant performance. This ensures that you have plenty of time to groom without needing to recharge. The package includes the handle, blades for face and body, combs, a skin guard, a power charger, and a protective cap. Everything you need for a complete grooming routine is included. What we like. This innovative device can trim, edge, and shave, offering a comfortable experience. It includes blades for both your face and body, and a skin guard for sensitive areas. If you like a close shave without irritation, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The trimmer is easy to use and provides a close, comfortable shave. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it easy to handle. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several shaves on a single charge. Number 2. Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 1100, BG 102660. This is the Philips Norelco Bodygroom Series 1100. It's designed for easy and comfortable body hair trimming. It's a great tool for any man looking to groom himself. The bidirectional trimmer allows you to cut hair in both directions. This feature makes it quick and efficient. You can achieve a smooth trim with ease. The integrated skin protector ensures your skin is guarded while trimming. This design helps prevent irritation and cuts. It provides a comfortable grooming experience. The included 1/8 comb is perfect for trimming longer hair. It allows you to maintain your desired length. It's simple to use and provides consistent results. It's shower-proof, making it easy to use and clean. A shower cord is included for convenient storage. This feature adds to the convenience of the product. It comes with 1 AA battery included, so it's ready to use right away. This makes it convenient for travel. It's a simple and effective grooming solution. The package includes the groomer, 1 trimming comb, a shower cord, and an AA battery. Everything you need is right there. Get yours today. What we like. This body groomer features bidirectional trimming for effortless hair removal. The integrated skin protector ensures a comfortable experience, and it's shower-proof for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a simple and effective body grooming solution, this is a great option. What people say. The trimmer is easy to use and provides a close, comfortable shave. The design is sleek and ergonomic, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The various attachments allow for precise trimming of different hair lengths and styles. Number 1. Philips Norelco Bodygroom 7000 BG 703049. Introducing the Philips Norelco Bodygroom 7000. It's designed for precise grooming all over your body. This tool makes it easy to achieve the look you want. This body groomer features a unique dual-sided design. You can trim and shave with a single tool, ensuring an even result on all areas. The 4D body shaver adapts to your body's contours. It provides a close and comfortable shave, even in sensitive areas. The blades are self-sharpening, ensuring long-lasting performance. They maintain maximum efficiency for a clean and precise trim every time. It's designed with your skin in mind, featuring rounded tips and a hypoallergenic foil. You can shave with confidence and comfort. This body groomer is 100% waterproof, allowing for use in or out of the shower. It's a reliable tool you can always count on. The set includes everything you need. You'll receive the body groom handle, an adjustable comb, a soft pouch, a cleaning brush, and the user manual. What we like. This body groomer features double grooming heads for trimming and shaving in one tool. The 4D body shaver adapts to your body's contours for a close shave, and it's designed to be skin-friendly. If you want a safe and comfortable grooming experience, especially in sensitive areas, this is the one to choose. What people say. Works completely fine in the shower, definitely waterproof. Just make sure to close the charging port cover. It doesn't cause skin irritation. The charge holds a good amount of time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.